you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 in Minecraft, follow these steps to resolve the issue and get back to playing. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or restarting your router. Step 2. Restart Minecraft. Close the game completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches or connection issues. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Make sure you have the latest version of Minecraft installed. Check for updates in the game launcher and install any available updates. Step 4. Check server status. Visit the official Minecraft server status page or community forums to see if there are any ongoing server issues that could be causing the error. Step 5. Reinstall Minecraft. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Minecraft. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be causing the matchmaking error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and enjoy your gaming experience.